actually sunny today. We're going to go to the Shepton flea market, which is about an hour drive, so we're setting off early. Have a rummage around and see if we can find any cool things, and then I'm going to come home and I think I'm going to make a pumpkin. I feel like I say this in every vlog, but I'm actually going to crochet a pumpkin and I can do a little tutorial, so stay tuned for that. We just got back from the flea market. It was a lot bigger than last time, like 2 or 3 times bigger, so we were there for a lot longer. I probably got burnt because it was so hot. And now we're back at the office. I'll show you what I got. So I've been wanting a new sewing box because I've been putting everything in this bag and it's just like a complete mess in here. So I got this little sewing box so I can make it all neat and organised. Josh got a brush. But that's so cute. So I'm going to give it a sand in a few days and just like neaten it up, give it a clean. And then this might be a bit insane, but I got my non-existent child its first clothes. Manifesting. I just think it's so cute. I thought it was like vintage, but it's Tesco's. But £5. They're so cute. And now I'm just gonna chill out and make a pumpkin. Probably put like a Halloween-y film on. But I'm deciding whether to crochet or knit one. I finally got some new tools after mine was stolen. I think I might crochet one because I haven't done that in a while. And I'll do a little tutorial on how to do that. Getting in the festive spirit. So I got this yarn from Aldi and I got a 4mm hook. We're going to do a slip knot and chain 30. Then once you've done your chain, you're going to do a half double crochet from the 3rd chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, half double crochet. And then in the next chain, and continue that all the way down the chain. And then when you get to the end of your row, you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. You're then going to go into the first chain and do a half double crochet, and just do that all the way down the row, the same as previously. So I've just got to the end of this row, so you're just going to repeat that for every row. So you'll do a row, chain 2, turn your work, and then start your next row, half double crochet in that first chain, and then all the way along. So you're just gonna keep repeating that. So I've done 45 rows all together now, so I'm gonna cut a long bit of yarn, and then I'm just gonna finish that off by pulling it through like that. Now we're going to fold it over, and using a darning needle I'm just going to sew down the length of this. So I'm just going to go through the back loops. So once you've sewn that together down the side, we're then going to cinch the bottom. So basically gonna, using the same bit of yarn, weave in and out of the loops at the bottom, sort of to create like a drawstring, and then we're going to pull it tight. And then when you get back to the beginning, you can start pulling, and it should all cinch in together. And then once that's closed, you want to secure it tight. So you're just going to do a bunch of knots. Now it's time for the fun part, which is stuffing your pumpkin. And then you need to cinch in the top of your pumpkin. So like we did in the bottom, we're just going to weave with some thread and a darning needle all the way around, and then you're going to pull it tight like a drawstring. And if you need to add in a bit more, do that now. And then I'm just going to tie off the ends together to secure it. And then with pieces of yarn, you're just going to pull these down, and then you're going to like pull it tight, and that's going to create this like pumpkin shape. You don't have to do this, but I think it just creates this nice look. So you can do that on as many sections as you want. So you can just see it's got like segments now. So now we're going to do the little stalk. So to create the stalk, I've got this green yarn, and I've just chained 20. And now I'm just going to go back and do single crochets along the chain. So I've done a row of single crochets, and I'm probably going to do it 2 more times. So I did 3 rows of single crochet, and now I'm just going to bend it over like this, and then sew this edge together. So now you've got this little loop as your stalk, and you're just going to attach it in there.